Hello, I'm Bonnie Barnes, one of the co-founders and chief executive officer of the DAISY Foundation. When the World Health Organization and the International Council of Nurses proclaimed 2020 the International Year of the Nurse and the Midwife, I'm sure neither they nor anyone else could have anticipated the role nursing would take on the world stage over the last 15 months or so. Everywhere, nurses have been the backbone of patient care as our healthcare system has valiantly fought this pandemic. Your courage, your compassion, and your selflessness have been exemplary. In addition to providing extraordinary clinical care, in full PPE, you have been incredibly creative in the ways you make meaningful connections with patients and with their families who can't be with them. Our partners honoring nurses with the DAISY Award have sustained their ritual of recognition throughout the pandemic, knowing how important meaningful recognition is to the well-being of their staff. Many, many thousands of grateful patients and families have described your care in detail as they submitted written DAISY Award nominations. And we've had the privilege of reading countless stories of extraordinary compassionate care. And it's clear, as I've said repeatedly over the last year, you all are delivering patient-centered care on steroids. Your critically important role in healthcare has been brought to the forefront like never before, and the media is paying attention. For the first time for months and months last year, every day on the news, we've seen nurses caring for patient COVID-19 patients. And now we see nurses giving vaccinations to people whose lives are turning to the positive for having gotten them. We know that patients and families are yearning to say thank you to their nurses. So early this year, we at DAISY launched a new, easy way for the public to express their gratitude to you with a DAISY nomination form now available on our website. Perhaps you saw pictures of the tremendous signs in New York's Times Square that kicked off this effort. To date, over $1 million worth of billboard space has been donated to this campaign by the billboard industry. You see, our Patrick spent his career in that business. His former co-workers are helping us make it easy for nurses to be nominated for the recognition program we established in memory of the extraordinary nursing we experienced when Patrick was hospitalized. As Nurses Week 2021 ensues, it feels like we're in a better place than we were at this time last year. But you know well that this fight against COVID is far from over. Yet, despite your physical, mental, and emotional exhaustion, nurses have continued to be there, caring for the rest of us with your excellent skill and your compassion. It is my sincere hope that never again will I hear a nurse say in response to being nominated for the DAISY Award, "Oh, I didn't do anything special, I was just doing my job." Because what you do every day without even thinking about it is beyond special. Your impact on your patients and their families and on your coworkers and your leaders is both inspiring and unforgettable. And our gratitude for your compassionate care and your courage knows no bounds. So on behalf of all of us at DAISY, may I wish you a happy Nurses Week. I hope you know you are forever in our hearts, and we wish you all the best. Please stay well. So long.